Hey everyone, Mary Beth Kellee and Philip Frederickson. We are the No in San Diego with Ascent Real Estate, and we are super excited to announce our new homebuyer seminar, which is going to be on Wednesday, May 16th. It's from 6 to 8. It's going to be held in Mission Hills in our really cool conference center. And not only are we going to educate you, but we're going to give you some light bites and refreshments. There's plenty of free parking on Fort Stockton, Washington area. Anytime after 6, so we look forward to seeing you there. And Phil, tell us why you need to attend something like this.
Well, this is going to be great information for you. We're going to have a lender there who's going to answer and probably debunk a lot of myths that you've been hearing about or you think. Like probably you still think you have to have a 20% down payment, and that's simply not true. There are programs that can go down as low as 5% and still have no mortgage insurance attached. So you're going to learn those things. You're going to learn really how much fun it can be to purchase a home and how more profitable it can be, because you can afford more in a mortgage payment than you can rent because of the tax deductions. So those things are going to be discussed, how the whole process works, escrow, title, all those kind of things that seem confusing and scary. They really aren't, and we're going to have a lot of fun.
And don't think you have to buy that week or within a month. It's a long process, it's an educational process, and we're here to take our time and handle you really, really well and help make it really fun and informative.